Creating a t-shirt design is a process that takes time and talent. Finding the perfect font, colors and layout for your design is really difficult. It's never-ending struggle to get it just right. Meet Kittl. With Kittl, anyone can design a professional-looking t-shirt without any design skills. It's an intuitive, easy-to-use editor that helps you create beautiful designs using an online editing tool. And in this video, I will take a look at Kittl and get you tips for creating a design in under 5 minutes. The good thing, you don't need to be a professional designer, it's actually really easy. So, what is a Kittl? As a designer, you are always looking for new tools to help you create artwork. Kittl is the new editor for designers that helps you create professional and artistic designs for your brand and print-on-demand business. It is an incredibly intuitive and beginner-friendly platform where you can create anything from album art to logos, posters or t-shirt designs with just a few clicks. While you can start designing from scratch, as a non-designer, you will love to use any of the thousands ready-to-use templates that are completely editable. You also get access to illustration, vector and font libraries to help you find the correct elements for your design. To be more exact, Kittl offers more than 1,000 editable templates, 10,000 design assets, 180 fonts, and much more, all with a full commercial license that is valid even for print on demand. As I already mentioned, Kittl is an online platform that allows you to create original content with just a few clicks. It is very similar to Placeit or Wexels and offers almost the same features, but with more clear licenses when talking about print on demand. You can access this tool anywhere you have an internet connection. Just log in and start designing. When designing, you have two options, starting from scratch or using a pre-made template. The benefits of using a template is that all the elements in the template are editable and can be quickly changed to meet your needs. That said, Kittl is an online editor that focuses on making the design process as easy as possible. Here are the most important features. 1,000 and more ready-to-use, fully editable templates. You also get access to a huge library of graphic assets. You can also download your design for any use case, print or digital. One of the coolest things about Kittl is that it is easy to use even for non-designers and comes with detailed tutorials and a respectful community. What's more, all your made designs come with a simple commercial license and can be used even for print on demand. So the question is Kittl free? To get you a more detailed answer, just take a look at this simple pricing overview. And yes, Kittl has a free plan where you can work on up to 100 designs per month and get access to a limited library of fonts, illustrations and graphic elements. That said, Kittl has 4 pricing plans. The free. You can choose to work on up to 100 projects with 50 megabytes of storage. Access all of the design templates, have a full access to the element library, and your design comes with a commercial license, but you need to give Kittl the attribution. With a Pro plan, you can work on as many projects as you like with 1 gigabyte of storage. You also get access to template designs, the full library of elements, and commercial licenses for your projects. Plus, you can export your stuff in high-resolution JPEG or PNG formats, as well as vector formats like PDF and SVG. With the expert pricing plan, you can work on unlimited projects with 10 gigabytes of upload space with access to all design templates, full elements library, and a commercial license. The last one is a business plan where up to 5 users can get access to one account with advanced customer support and branding and team features. So, in my opinion, Kittl is a new and interesting online graphic editor that has a main focus on t-shirts, logos, and poster designs. It allows you to use ready-made templates that are easily editable and can be used for private or commercial purposes. You can customize your design using the tools available in platform and make it as good as you want. Kittl is similar to services like Placeit or Vexels that are specially designed to help people create designs for print-on-demand projects. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply.